Hello, welcome to Thursday, day 4, November 12th. We are in Module 8. I hope you had a great day off yesterday. Here's what we'll do today. First, watch this video, and then you will click Async. There are two activities in Async today. The first one is an activity using however and although. Remember to read everything before you type your answers. Okay, you're going to make sentences using however and although. Read everything. Please be sure to check for spelling and grammar before you post. This is a spell check button right here, my friends. Please click on it to make sure you have all your words spelled correctly. Second async assignment is in your book. You will complete pages 52, part 1, A and B, and part 2, A, B, C. Okay? And when you're finished, take a picture, upload the picture in Schoology. And that's it for async. Let's go to sync. It's Thursday. We have our large class together. It is very, very important that you attend today. We are going to be working on our topics. Okay? So first thing we'll do, so that's what we'll be doing in our groups. We're going to look at an article, read the article in group, and fill out the information in the group, similar to what we did on Tuesday. So you have the worksheet. Here, you will copy this in your notebook. Okay, and then you will use one of the articles depending on your topic. The articles are here. So if your topic is racial inequality in schools, this is your topic. U.S. police, this is your topic. And U.S. housing, this is your, not topic, these are your articles, okay? So in your group, you'll read the article and then you will fill out the information. And that's it for today. Good luck.